If you're watching this, you probably want to start a business without the hassle of complicated systems or huge investments. You want something simple and beginner-friendly. This video is for you. We are breaking down the easiest businesses to start in 2026, step by step, with no hype and no unrealistic promises. 2026 is one of the best years in history for beginners to start a business. Why is that? Technology, AI, automation, and digital platforms have removed most of the traditional barriers to entry. You no longer need an office, a team, or large capital to begin. The businesses we'll discuss meet 4 key criteria for beginners. They are easy to start, require low or zero investment, work globally, and have high income potential. These ideas are perfect for beginners, requiring clarity, consistency, and the right idea, rather than huge experience or investment. They are globally viable and offer high income potential when executed correctly. Now, let's explore these business ideas. Our first easy business idea is anything service-based, leveraging skills you already have or can quickly learn. The barrier to entry for service-based businesses is incredibly low. You're selling your time and expertise, not physical products or large infrastructure. In 2026, digital platforms make it easier than ever to find clients globally and manage your service delivery remotely. Our second easy business idea is creating and selling digital products. Think templates, ebooks, online courses, or printables. You create the product once and can sell it infinitely. Examples include resume templates, budgeting spreadsheets, or comprehensive ebooks on a niche topic. Digital products offer massive automation potential. Once set up, sales and delivery can be fully automated, making this highly scalable without demanding more of your time. The third easy business idea is affiliate marketing paired with content creation, like through a niche blog or social media channel. You leverage existing high-traffic platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, and earn commissions by promoting other companies' products. Startup costs are minimal. Success in affiliate marketing hinges on consistency. Regular, valuable content builds an audience, which in turn drives conversions and commissions. Now, the most crucial part, choosing the right business for you, not just what's trending or what someone else is doing. The perfect business lies at the intersection of your existing skills, genuine interests, and a proven market need. To get started today, choose one idea, validate its demand, and take the very first step, whether that's setting up a profile or outlining your first product. The goal is to move from passive consumption to active creation. Start small, stay consistent, and learn as you go. Remember the 3 easiest businesses: service-based, digital products, and affiliate marketing/content creation. All are low cost and high potential. The time to start is now. Harness the power of 2026's digital landscape. Find your fit and make success happen. Welcome to the future of content creation. Today, we're diving into an incredibly beginner-friendly business idea for 2026, running a faceless YouTube automation channel. If you're looking for a way to build a long-term digital asset without ever needing to show your face or use your own voice, this is for you. Running a faceless YouTube channel is one of the most accessible and beginner-friendly businesses you can start in 2026. The core appeal is simple: no camera, no showing your face, and you don't even have to record your own voice. The secret to automation lies in leveraging modern tools. You'll be using a powerful automation toolkit to generate your content efficiently. Start with AI-generated scripts. Tools like ChatGPT can create engaging, well-researched content, dramatically cutting down on writing time. Next, use AI voiceovers. High-quality text-to-speech generators ensure professional-sounding narration without you ever speaking into a microphone. Finally, utilize stock footage or images to create visually appealing videos that keep viewers engaged. To maximize earnings, focus on high RPM niches. These topics typically command higher advertising rates. Top niches include business and finance, capitalizing on money-related content, and AI and technology, addressing the exploding interest in new tech. Other profitable areas are motivation, offering inspiration and life advice, and faith and prayers, catering to spiritual audiences. Don't forget facts and education, which consistently draw in engaged audiences looking to learn something new. So why is YouTube automation so effective as a long-term business model? Unlike many social media platforms, YouTube pays creators long-term revenue through its partner program. A single video can continue to earn revenue for years after it's published, creating a strong passive income stream. Most of the work, from scripting to editing, can be outsourced or fully automated, allowing you to scale your business with ease. In conclusion, a faceless YouTube automation channel is a powerful digital asset you can build as a beginner. It's not a path to instant money, but it's one of the best long-term investment strategies you can pursue in the digital economy. Start building your passive income stream today and tap into the potential of faceless YouTube automation. Looking for a business idea with incredible margins? Digital products might be your answer. Digital products include things like PDFs, guides, and templates. They are one of the most profitable businesses you can start. Digital products boast some of the highest margins because the cost to produce and deliver is virtually zero after the initial creation. The best part? You create the product once, and you can sell it repeatedly, earning passive income. Let's look at some examples of digital products that are highly sought after in the market today. Consider selling business guides or planners to help entrepreneurs organize their tasks and strategize for growth. Simple tools like checklists or specialized guides, such as prayer PDFs, also offer immediate value to targeted niches. Social media templates save content creators hours of work, making them a very popular digital product. With the rise of AI, prompt packs for tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney are in high demand as people look to maximize their AI output. Beyond high margins, the digital product business is remarkably simple to manage, removing many traditional business headaches. There is no need for manufacturing, shipping, or storage. The product is delivered instantly online. Since delivery is automated and the product is created once, you don't need a large staff or even any staff at all to run this business. The market is shifting, and what customers value in 2026 is changing the landscape of digital products. In 2026, people are looking for simple, actionable solutions. They prefer quick guides over long, expensive courses. A well-explained PDF that solves one specific problem can easily outperform expensive, long-winded programs in today's environment. The focus on digital products brings unique business advantages that drive profitability. This model naturally attracts high-value buyers who are willing to pay for targeted, immediate solutions. The resulting high perceived value means you benefit from strong revenue per mil and cost per mil metrics. To wrap up, digital products offer a modern, high-profit business model tailored for today's market needs. Remember the key elements: high margins, low overhead, and a product that solves a simple, specific problem for a high-value customer. It's time to leverage the power of digital products. Start creating your first high-margin guide or template today.